Some people walk into your life with a light that can only be described as yellow, infusing the very air around with a silent sound of, "This will be okay. Nothing hard can stay. We will find a way together. We can reach calmer weather." These people, your yellows, are sunny, endlessly funny. They are warm and safe, a comforting place. Their light things can grow in. They are cheerleaders for your win. And if you have a yellow in this life, keep them bright. They thrive on giving out light. So Nalani, thank you for being my yellow. May you continue to be a shining star on your 18th birthday because your light brightens every corner of our lives. Your journey as an adult has just begun,